A village is roughly square in shape. Its perimeter is about 6 kilometers. If the population density of the village is 1,200 people per square kilometer, find the approximate population of the village. Find the approximate population of the village. This is a very special question. So I want you to listen very attentively to what I'm going to be explaining. A village is roughly square in shape. If we are to imagine the shape of this village, it's like this. It's a square. And we have to know what is square chi. So a square is a type of a rectangle where each side is equal to each side. Saka, a square is of equal 4 sides. But we have been told, Manch, in our next statement, that its perimeter is about 6 kilometers. Chii chinonzi perimeter. Saka, at primary level, patakaintroduced to mensuration, we defined perimeter as the distance right round the shape. Saka, if I am to dramatize panapa, chinonzi perimeter, ngatiti tiri kutanga panapa, this is our starting point, andiri. This is the distance traveled here, like this. This is perimeter, distance right round the shape. But knowing that the square is made up of 4 equal sides, what it means is, if the perimeter of square, you understand, is equal to 6 kilometers, it means that one side of the square should then be equal to 6 over 4 kilometers, which is 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 2, 3 over 2 kilometers. What just happened? This is a square. By virtue of it being a square, zvinoreva kuti kubva panapa kunosvika apapa, it's of the equal length with kubva pano kusvika apa, then kubva apa kusvika apa, kubva apa kusvika apa. Masides yakafanana, saka malengths anofambwa as we travel around the square, as we formulate the distance right round the square, which is the perimeter. The distance yatinofamba on one side yakafanana neyatinofamba on any other side. So because of that, kana tichida kutsvaga the length of a particular side, we just say 6, which is the total perimeter of the square, divided by 4, which is the number of sides. In so doing, we get 3 over 2 kilometers. I hope that is understood. If not, please utilize the comments. If the population density of the village is equal to 1,200 people over square kilometers, find the approximate population of the village. So I'm going to do 2 methods. Chekutanga, I want to teach you to extract a formula from a given rate. It's going to be really beautiful. It's going to be really beautiful. Onai. Taudzwa isusu kuti the population density. Saka tinoziva kuti chii chinombonzi chi? Population density. Saka zvanzi the population density is equal to 1,200 people over, kana kuti 1,200 people per square kilometer. Saka panapa we should know kuti kana the formula for the population density is going to be equal to number of people, like this. Saka ngatingoti the number of people n over the area of village, which is a your population density yacho ngatiti p nekad ka subscript, like this. Saka formula yedu tikada kuinyora futi tiri kungoti isusu population density PD is equal to N over A. Zvabvepi? Taudzwa panapa kuti this is the population density. Saka kuti P zvinongoreva kuti divide by. Ndosaka tichiti speed is equal to distance over time. Then kana takukota maspeeds tinoti 10 kilometers per hour. Saka it's 10 kilometers divided by an hour. Saka kuti P, kana chiti P zvinongoreva kuti divide by. Saka kana iri population density iri 1200 people per square kilometer, zvongoreva kuti population density in number of people 1200 over the area of the village, which is this 1 square kilometer. Then manje kana tadaiso tagona kuextracta a formula from a rate zvakunzi find the approximate population of the village. So how do we find the approximate population of the village? From our basic geography, kana our basic knowledge of knowledge, we know that a population is talking about the number of people in a given area, a given place. Saka patanyora panapa tichiti number of people, we can equally say population. Saka question yedu iri kufunzei. Question yedu iri kuti we have to make n, which is representing the number of people vis-a-vis population, the subject of formula. We do that how? By cross multiplication. Kureva kuti the population density is multiplying A, the area is going to be equal to the population n, number of people. Maboda. Okay. Saka, this is the formula we are now working with. So this is the formula we are now working with. N is equal to PD times A. To consider A, we need to know the area. Area ye square is equal to side times side. Saka side times side. This is equal to. Remember kuti zvatatanga kuita panapa tatora square yedu tikaziva kuti perimeter ichi is 6 kilometers. Ndobva tatsvaga the length of a single side by saying 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. Korati panapa inge iri 3 over 2 kilometers. Apa pafuti richi 3 over 2 kilometers. Kureva kuti area yacho manje, we just say 3 over 2 multiplying 3 over 2 side by side. Saka panapa we are going to get an answer of 3 times 3 being 9 over, and 2 times 2 iri 4. Satogona ngoisiya yakadai so. And remember, this is square kilometers because my length yedu they are in kilometers. Tadaro manje tinenge takudzokera ku formula yedu. N is equal to PD multiplying A. Takusubstitute PD taudzwa kuti 1200. Remember panapa panzi 1200 people per square kilometer andiri. Satongonyora number tosiya my units. But I'm going to show you my units and to cancelana ipapa. But I don't encourage you kuita my units. You don't have to confuse yourself. So tinongonyora the number, making sure kuti my units edu akufanana. Like our area is in square kilometers. Our population density is 1200 per square kilometer. Understood? Saka panapa, this is multiplying an area of 9 over 4. Saka panapa is just 4 into 4 ndi 1. 4 into 12 ndi 3. Put into 1200 ndi 300. So n is equal to 300 times 9. 9, 18, 27. So it's 2700. So this is the estimated number of people in this village. Okay, ndakuvimbisai kuti ndoda kudemonstrate something. Saka panapa n is equal to PD multiplying A. So n is equal to, katinyore iri 1200 people andiri. Saka 1200 people per square kilometers like this. Ichi multiply 9 over 4 kilometers squared like this. Saka n panapa inenge iri equal to 1200 people. Remember tataura chiti pe zvinoreva kuti chi dividing by. Saka 1200 people per square kilometer zvongoreva kuti 1200 people over 1 square kilometer like this. So this is multiplying 9 over 4 square kilometers. Saka ma square kilometers achekana. Izvi zvipanopinda umu n changova equal to 2700 people. Zvapera. So this is the method yandati method number 1. In this method, what did we do? We extracted a formula from a rate. Alright, ndikufila kuti kana paine munhu atorasika apa pakaipa. Saka rega ndidzokorodze kungoexplaina in passing. We know the perimeter of the square, 6 kilometers. We find a particular side, one side of the square. Tinongodivide perimeter over the number of sides. Reasoning yacho taitsanangura panapa. Perimeter is the distance right round the shape. Yet kana iri square, we are having equal lengths per side. Saka tikadivide the number of sides into the perimeter, tichawana the length of a particular side. Kureva kuti, kuri kuti tadraw square yedu zvakare so. Tati isusu pana pa 3 over 2, pana pa 3 over 2, pana pa 3 over 2, pana pa 3 over 2. Tikada tsvaka perimeter toziva kuti it's 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Tinoziva kuti kana tine the same denominator across, we just add the numerators. Saka 3 plus 3, that is 6, plus 3 and 9, plus 3 and 12. So perimeter is equal to 12 over 2, of which 2 into 2 is 1, into 12 is 6. Saka yadzokera kubi uko. You see what I mean? Saka by so doing, prove. Then tadaro, we extracted the formula of the population density, and we extractor kwangobva pa this understanding kuti kana chiti per tinongoti divide by. Saka 1200 people per square kilometer zvirongoreva kuti the number of people over the area of the village. Then tadaro ndobva tazoinyora in symbols tikazo arrive at this, which is just a way of rewriting panapa, because we discovered the number of the people, which is also the population. Then ndokuzoshandisa nawe sides ish kutsvaga chi area side by side. Tawana area ndokuzongo substitute panapa nepanapa, ndokuzowana our final answer. If this method is really making your head spin, you do not have to worry. Why shouldn't you? Because there's another method, and that other method is called what? Proportion. You must be happy because proportion is our go-to in most cases. Let us do our method number 2, proportion. Tone kuti inotipa here the answer of 2700 people. A village is roughly a square in shape. Its perimeter is 6 kilometers. If the population of the village is 1200, if the population density of the village is 1200 people per square kilometer, find the approximate population of the people. Saka, if we take, listen to me people, listen to me. I'm your teacher now. Listen to me. 1200 people per square kilometer. Zvinorevei? Zvinoreva kuti pa 1 square kilometer. Pa 1 square kilometer panenge paine 1200 people. Ndozvazvoreva. Kuri kuti mu village umu handiti tamaka inonzi a square kilometer. Kana chiti square kilometer tinongoti 1 kilometer times 1 kilometer. Saka tinoti 1 kilometer tichienda toti 1 kilometer takona ka area ikakaka ndo 1 square kilometer. Tobva taisa vanhu 1200, tomaka kamwe toisa 1200, tomaka kamwe kusvikira takavha the whole area of the village. kuti pese pane square kilometer tikuisa vanhu 1200 pamwe 1200 pamwe 1200 kusvikira takavha area yese. Tikazoverenga zvimapechi izvi tinenge tine vanhu vangani, understand? Saka knowing this makes it very needful kuti tizive kuti ko iyo village yacho area yacho ichii. Saka we have to know the area of village. We have to know the area of the village. Tinoiwana say, we go back to my former explanation, but having the village which is roughly a square, we found that each side is 3/2, and we found that the area is equal to 9/4 square kilometers, like this. Anditi saka kana takudzokera kuproportion yedu tinenge takuti kana 1 square kilometer ine vanhu 1200, ko kana tikatsvaga yechi 9.4 square kilometers ine vanhu vangani, ine x people. Ano aya ndo ma statements of proportion aya atobuda. 1 square kilometer is accommodating 1200 people. What about 9/4 square kilometers, which is the area of the village? It is accommodating how many people? Understood? Saka kana tadai so takuchidinginda manje, takuchidinginda takungoti 1/9/4 is equal to 1200 over x. Kwakudinginda kwako. Panapa zvongoreva kuti 4/9 is equal to 1200 over x. Saka taitei pamusoro tangonyora ma statements of proportion edu tamaconverter into a fractional equation. Kureva kuti panapa is just 1/9/4 is equal to 1200 over x. You understand? Saka tikazodivida izvi, tikadivida zvino izvi manje kunoko 1 divided by 9/4 inova 1 times topidigura kunoko 4/9, which is equal to 4/9. That is why ndazongoti 4/9 panapa. Saka manje kuti ndichibuda nayo manje haichanetsi. Tikaita cross multiplication, x inenge iri equal to 1200 times 9/4. Zvabvepi? Zvabva pakuti x uno auya uku, asi pauya uku 4 abva adzikawo kuzasi, saka 4 ari kunoku, x arapa, then 9 akaenda chinomultiply kunoku, saka i-cross multiplication. Kana musingainzwisise, practice method yekubalansa ma-equations. Chingoitai masovero amaita ma-fractions all the time. There are no marks or credit for bravery. Saka tiri pano manje, what is going to be x? What we are going to do is tichangoti 4 into 4 ndi 1, 4 into 12 ndi 3, korova kuti x is equal to 300 times 9, which is what? X is equal to 2700 people. The people